Have you been searching for the perfect home which offers period features, packed full of character and contemporary styling? Well, maybe the Flying Horse Farmhouse is the one for you. With 4 or 5 bedrooms, 3,200 square foot and the most magnificent long-reaching views. This brand new property is situated close to Thorner, Scholes and Barwick and Elmet, not to mention easily accessible to both Leeds and York. Let's take a look inside this magnificent home. The farmhouse is simply magnificent and finished to the highest of standards. Beneath my feet here is a lapicedar stone tiled floor which paves the way to the open plan kitchen living diner. There's a wet underfloor heating system and the ground floor features a utility, WC, study and this, the formal living room, which has oak herringbone style flooring and this wonderful original fireplace with logwood burning stove. This home has loads of storage. It's packed with nooks and crannies as well as those original features such as the beams. But one of the show-stopping features has to be this incredible south-facing view over an Indian stone terrace and onto a lawned garden that wraps around the property. For me, another highlight of this property has to be the split level arrangement of the kitchen living diner, which benefits from lots of natural light and this wonderful Moore's kitchen. There are quartz worktops with a breakfast bar, a plethora of integrated appliances including full height fridge and freezer, a wine cooler, dishwasher, instant hot water tap, double ovens and induction hob. This versatile family home offers up to 5 bedrooms and on the ground floor the 5th bedroom also offers the potential to be used as a study. The 4th bedroom, which is an ensuite, also displays a magnificent original feature fireplace. Upstairs there are 3 further bedrooms, each of which is very generous. 2 of them come with vaulted ceilings and those fantastic original beams on display. Here we are in the principal bedroom, which comes with a fully tiled ensuite. There's also a truly sensational house bathroom. The farmhouse is set within a scheme of 4 homes, yet externally offers its own exclusive gated access to a large driveway with turning circle and oak-framed triple carport with electric vehicle charging points.